Merry Vlogmas! Today we are going to make cheeseburger soup. Okay, good people, let's get started. First, we're going to need 3, maybe 4, depending on the size of russet potatoes. Chop the potatoes into cubes. Once chopped, go ahead and add them into the crock pot. Next, we need 1 bag of shredded carrots. Now, don't ask me what cheeseburgers have carrots on them, but I swear, it's good. Try it. Trust me, it's good. I swear. Now, next, go ahead and grab a small onion. Finely chop the onion and add the chopped onion to the crock pot. Now go ahead and add your 1 teaspoon of dried basil and then add 1 teaspoon of parsley. Now grab 4 cups of chicken broth and pour it over your mixture in the crock pot. Now I know I said 4 cups, but mine was looking a little dry and thirsty, so I added a little bit more. So now we're going to let this cook on low for 7 hours. Toward the end of your 7 hours, let's start preparing the ground beef and the bacon. I like to use lean ground beef, but you can use whatever ground beef you like. Now, just because we're putting that ground beef in our soup doesn't mean you don't need to season your meat. Use about a teaspoon of Lowry seasoning salt. The ground beef is fully cooked. Go ahead and add it to the crock pot. Next, you're going to need about 4 to 6 slices of premium bacon. Make sure the bacon is nice and crispy. I said crispy, don't burn the bacon, people. Go ahead and set the bacon aside. We're going to use it later. Same skillet that you used, go ahead and melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Go ahead and grab 2 cups of milk, any kind will do, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Using a whisk, mix in the flour and the milk. Add salt to taste. Add pepper to taste. Mix in the salt and pepper and then add the mixture to the crock pot. Don't forget about the bacon now. Go ahead and grab the bacon, chop it up, and add it to the crock pot. Now go ahead and grab 2 cups of cheddar cheese. I had this cheese left over. I wanted to go ahead and use it, but you don't need it. You just need 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Now mix that thing on up, get that cheese nice and hot and melty. Oh my God, that looks so good. Oh, that looks good. I'm ready. But you can't eat it yet. You gotta let it cook for another 20 to 30 minutes. In about 20 minutes, come on back, stir your soup up, and let's eat! Okay, I'm sorry, we can't eat yet. We need some green onions. Go ahead and finely chop your green onion. Go ahead and top each serving with the green onions. Now let's eat. Bon appetit! Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know how you enjoyed it if you tried the recipe. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications. Don't forget, you can follow your girl on all her other social medias, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. I am Rakita's Closet everywhere. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye!